10 Unexpected Ways Baking Soda Can Transform Your Hair, Skin, and Body. Though you may not know it, baking soda can be great for your hair, skin, and body. Baking soda can help you look your best from head to toe. And the best part is that it can be found right in your house. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, looks like a crystal in its natural form, but is usually found as a fine powder. It helps kill bacteria and fungi, clean out germs, and stop swelling. It is also great for fighting any disease from colds to oral problems and skin issues. Baking soda is helpful when used for a short time, but if you use it too much, it can harm your skin and hair. Also, test it out on a little piece of skin before you use it, to check if your skin is easily hurt by it. Here are some ways you can use baking soda to help your hair, skin, and body. 1. Baking soda scalp scrub. A baking soda scalp scrub can help remove product buildup, excess oil, and dead skin cells, leaving your scalp feeling clean and refreshed. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of baking soda with enough water to make a paste. Before showering, dampen your hair and scalp with warm water. Take a small amount of the baking soda paste and apply it directly to your scalp, focusing on areas where you may have buildup or oily patches. Gently massage the scrub into your scalp using circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes. Be sure to cover your entire scalp. Leave the scrub on your scalp for an additional 2 to 3 minutes to allow the baking soda to work its magic. Rinse your hair and scalp thoroughly with warm water, making sure to remove all traces of the baking soda scrub. You can use this baking soda scalp scrub once a week or as needed, depending on your scalp's condition and the amount of buildup you experience. 2. Clarifying Shampoo Booster. A clarifying shampoo booster is typically a natural ingredient, or solution that you can add to your regular shampoo to boost its effectiveness in removing product buildup, excess oil, minerals, and other impurities from your hair and scalp. Baking soda can also supercharge your clarifying shampoo. Begin by pouring your usual amount of shampoo into the palm of your hand or a small container. This will serve as the base for your clarifying shampoo. Add a teaspoon of baking soda to the shampoo. Baking soda acts as a gentle abrasive and helps to break down and dissolve product buildup and residue on the hair and scalp. Mix the baking soda thoroughly into the shampoo until it is well incorporated. Start by thoroughly wetting your hair with warm water. This helps to open the hair cuticles and prepares them for cleansing. Take the shampoo mixture, shampoo plus baking soda, and apply it to your hair, focusing on the scalp and roots where product buildup is most likely to occur. Massage the shampoo into your scalp and hair, working up a lather. After massaging the shampoo into your hair and scalp, rinse it out thoroughly with warm water. Make sure to rinse until all traces of the shampoo and baking soda mixture are removed from your hair. Use it once a week or every few washes is sufficient to keep hair and scalp clean and refreshed without overstripping natural oils. 3. Brightening Face Mask. Using baking soda as a brightening face mask is a popular DIY skin care remedy. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, has natural exfoliating properties that can help remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and reveal a brighter complexion. Start by mixing 1 to 2 teaspoons of baking soda with enough water or honey to form a thick paste. Water can help create a simple paste, while honey adds moisture and additional skin benefits. After cleansing your face, apply the baking soda paste evenly to your skin, avoiding the delicate eye area. Gently massage the paste onto your skin using circular motions for about 1 to 2 minutes. Allow the mask to sit on your skin for 5 to 10 minutes. If you have sensitive skin, you may want to start with a shorter leave-on time, and gradually increase it as your skin becomes accustomed to the treatment. Rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water, making sure to remove all traces of the baking soda paste. It's best to use a baking soda brightening face mask no more than once or twice a week to avoid over-exfoliating the skin. Over-exfoliation can lead to irritation, redness, and sensitivity. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer to replenish hydration and lock in moisture. This step is essential, as baking soda can be drying to the skin. 4. Soothing Bath Soak. Baking soda is known for its alkalizing properties, which can help neutralize acidic compounds on the skin and in the body. This can be especially helpful in relieving muscle soreness, and tension after a strenuous workout or a long day of physical activity. A baking soda bath soak can help relax muscles, reduce stiffness, and promote overall muscle recovery. Start by filling your bathtub with warm water to your desired level. Make sure the water temperature is comfortable for you, neither too hot nor too cold. Once the tub is filled with water, add about half to 1 cup of baking soda directly to the bath water. You can adjust the amount of baking soda based on your preference and the size of your bathtub. Use your hand or a bath swish to stir the baking soda into the water, ensuring that it dissolves completely. This will help distribute the baking soda evenly throughout the bath water. Carefully step into the bath and soak in the soothing water for 15 to 20 minutes or longer, depending on your preference. Take this time to relax, unwind, and enjoy the calming effects of the baking soda bath soak. After soaking, gently rinse your body with clean water to remove any residual baking soda from your skin. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel and follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock in hydration. You can enjoy a baking soda bath soak as often as you like, depending on your skin's needs and preferences. 5. Deodorizing foot soak. Baking soda has natural odor-absorbing properties that can help neutralize unpleasant smells on the feet. When dissolved in warm water, baking soda works to absorb and eliminate odor-causing bacteria, leaving your feet feeling clean and fresh. Fill a basin or foot tub with enough warm water to cover your feet comfortably. The water should be warm but not too hot to avoid causing discomfort. Once the foot soak is prepared, add about 2 to 4 tablespoons of baking soda to the water. You can adjust the amount of baking soda based on the size of the foot soak and the severity of the foot odor. Stir the baking soda into the water until it is fully dissolved. This will ensure that the baking soda is evenly distributed throughout the foot soak, maximizing its deodorizing effects. Carefully place your feet into the foot soak and relax for 15 to 20 minutes. Allow the baking soda solution to work its magic, absorbing odors and refreshing your feet. After soaking, remove your feet from the foot soak and pat them dry with a clean towel. Be sure to dry between the toes thoroughly to prevent moisture buildup, which can contribute to foot odor. Finish by applying a moisturizing foot cream or lotion to keep your skin hydrated and soft. This step is essential, as baking soda can be drying to the skin. You can use a baking soda foot soak as often as needed to keep your feet feeling fresh and odor-free. 6. Teeth whitening treatment. Baking soda is mildly abrasive, which means it can help remove surface stains from the teeth. When used as a toothpaste or in a teeth whitening treatment, baking soda works to polish away stains caused by foods, beverages, and other factors, resulting in a brighter smile. Mix it with a small amount of water to create a paste. Mix equal parts baking soda and hydrogen peroxide to form a paste, then apply the paste to your teeth using a toothbrush or a cotton swab. Leave the paste on your teeth for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with water. Be sure not to swallow any of the mixture, and avoid using this treatment too frequently to prevent damage to the enamel. While baking soda can be an effective teeth whitening treatment, it's essential to use it safely to avoid damaging the enamel or irritating the gums. Be sure to brush gently and avoid scrubbing too hard, as this can cause abrasion and sensitivity. 7. Exfoliating body scrub. Baking soda has fine particles that act as a gentle exfoliant when applied to the skin. These particles help to slough away dead skin cells, dirt, and other impurities, leaving the skin feeling smooth, soft, and refreshed. Mix baking soda and coconut oil or your favorite body wash in a small bowl. If using coconut oil, melt it slightly before mixing to ensure it blends well with the baking soda. Mix the ingredients until you achieve a thick paste. While in the shower or bath, apply the baking soda scrub to damp skin, focusing on areas where you want to exfoliate, such as elbows, knees, and heels. Gently massage the scrub into your skin using circular motions for a few minutes. After exfoliating, rinse the scrub off thoroughly with warm water. Be sure to remove all traces of the baking soda scrub from your skin. After patting your skin dry with a towel, apply a moisturizer to lock in hydration, and keep your skin soft and smooth. You can use a baking soda exfoliating body scrub 2 to 3 times a week, depending on your skin type and sensitivity. Avoid using the scrub on broken or irritated skin, and discontinue use if you experience any irritation or discomfort. 8. DIY Dry Shampoo. Baking soda can be a fantastic ingredient for creating a DIY dry shampoo that helps absorb excess oil and refresh your hair between washes. Start by mixing equal parts baking soda and cornstarch in a bowl. If you have darker hair, you can add a small amount of cocoa powder to the mixture to match your hair color. To use the dry shampoo, part your hair, and sprinkle a small amount of the baking soda mixture directly onto your scalp, focusing on the roots and oily areas. Use your fingertips to massage the dry shampoo into your scalp and hair, distributing it evenly. Allow the dry shampoo to sit on your hair for a few minutes to absorb oil and impurities. Then, use a brush or your fingers to blend and distribute the dry shampoo throughout your hair, ensuring it is evenly distributed and no white residue remains. You can use baking soda dry shampoo as often as needed to refresh your hair between washes. It's a convenient and quick way to extend the time between washes and keep your hair looking clean and fresh. 9. Sunburn Relief. Sunburned skin tends to be more acidic, which can contribute to pain and discomfort. Baking soda helps to balance the pH levels of the skin, creating a more alkaline environment that is less irritating and more conducive to healing. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with enough water to form a thick paste. Apply the baking soda paste directly to the sunburned areas of your skin. Gently massage the paste into your skin using circular motions. Leave the baking soda paste on your skin for 10 to 15 minutes to allow it to soothe and calm the sunburn. Rinse the baking soda paste off your skin with cool water. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Apply a moisturizer to your skin to help lock in hydration and promote healing. Repeat the baking soda bath or paste treatment several times a day, especially if you are experiencing significant discomfort. 10. Acne Spot Treatment. Baking soda can be used as an acne spot treatment due to its exfoliating and anti-inflammatory properties. Mix equal parts baking soda and water to form a thick paste. Apply the baking soda paste directly to the acne spots or pimples using a cotton swab or clean fingertips. Be sure to cover the affected areas thoroughly. Leave the baking soda paste on the skin for 10 to 15 minutes to allow it to dry and work its magic. Rinse the baking soda paste off your skin with lukewarm water. Gently pat your skin dry with a clean towel. You can use baking soda as an acne spot treatment once or twice a week. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to my channel.